Welcome to AnbuZ HobbieZ, your source for tech and programming tutorials. Today, we're delving into the realm of Apache Kafka. In this video, we'll take you through the detailed process of installing Apache Kafka on a Windows operating system, and we'll also guide you in verifying its functionality step by step. Let's get started. Our first step is to download Apache Kafka for Windows. You can find the installer on the official Apache Kafka website. Next, navigate to the Get Started section and click on Quick Start. Now, proceed to click on the download link. Click on any of the download links available on this page. Once the download is complete, proceed to extract it into a folder of your choice. You'll require software like WinZip or WinRAR to extract this file. After extracting the files to your C drive and renaming the folder to Kafka, you can proceed with the following steps. Now, navigate to the Config folder within the Kafka directory. Next, open the zookeeper.properties file, and let's make an important update to the data.dir property. Now, let's open the server.properties file to update the Kafka log path. After making the necessary updates to these two properties files, let's open a command prompt directly from the Kafka folder to start the Zookeeper service. Now, execute the zookeeper server start.bat file found in the bin in Windows directory, using the zookeeper.properties file that we've just updated. Congratulations, we've successfully started the Zookeeper service. You can also observe that the Zookeeper data folder created, reflecting our updates. Now, let's start the Kafka server. Open another command prompt from the Kafka folder. Next, execute the Kafka server start.bat file located in the bin in Windows directory, using the server.properties file. Congratulations, we've successfully started the Kafka server. You'll notice that the Kafka logs folder has been created, reflecting the configuration updates we made. Now, let's verify the Kafka installation. Open a new command prompt and enter the command to create a Kafka topic. We've successfully created a topic named Test Topic. Now, let's execute a command to produce a message into the test topic. After executing the command, you'll be prompted to enter the message to be published. Meanwhile, let's open another command prompt to consume the messages. Now, execute the command to consume the messages from test topic. Now, you can publish a message to test topic, and the messages will be consumed automatically. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Apache Kafka on your Windows system, and we've also verified the data streaming process. Thanks for joining us. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our tech and programming content.